Just getting off of work. It's been a long day. Definitely did a couple of things to the car. Just minor things. Repainted the calipers a different color. Got my little YouTube sticker up there. I do like it. And yes, I went with like slime green, which is different. I was just tired everybody having the same color calipers. Car sounds amazing. Yeah, I love it. Got a lot to talk about today, and we will get right into that for sure. Yep, all right. My co-worker's pulling off in his Honda. His Hondita, the Hondita. He's definitely, like I said before, he's got plans for that, man. He's gonna turn that into an all-wheel drive monster at some point. And I can't wait to see it. Kid works hard, man. He deserves it. He's a Honda fan. But anyway, yes. Hope you guys are doing great. I hope you guys have had a successful and great day. Like I said, I'm just getting off of work. Just did about 8 hours today. Wednesdays I usually do like a half a day, something like that. I know 8 hours. No, it was more like 6 hours. My full day is like 12. So, you know, it is what it is. Gotta work hard to get the stuff you want in life. Wish I was born with a silver spoon, but definitely wasn't. Worked hard for this stuff. But yeah, man, anyway, good to catch up with you guys. Do have some updates. Went to North Carolina last Sunday. That was a long trip. It took longer than I expected, actually. But picked up my ported blower. I know everybody's like, oh, you got a mod. Yeah, I know. I've been plotting and planning this for a long time, bro. And I'm very happy that I finally picked it up. Guy was cool. He was an older dude. He's probably like 60. And he's been dealing with modular cars and, you know, modular Mustangs and Fox bodies and whatnot. He's actually got a Terminator swap Mach 1 right now, and it's painted in like the Hot Wheels theme. Cool as hell. But yeah, I picked up the ported blower. It's a stage 5 Stegmeister port on the blower, the Eaton itself, and the inlet, I guess you would say. So did that. He actually threw in a BBK 62 millimeter throttle body with it, which is great. And, you know, I was like, all right, I'll take it. I'm probably gonna end up trying to find a mono blade to go with it, but you know, I'll take that BBK throttle body at no extra cost. It's cool. Yeah, so that's in the works. Like I said before, I actually have some brand new Metco pulleys, you know, and a Metco idler and whatnot going on the car, along with the Micro V belt, and I'm gonna do the accessory belt at the same time. So, you know, got some stuff going on. Ram air intake too. I'm tired of the cold air intake. I'm doing a ram air intake. And what else am I doing? Of course, a minor fuel system upgrade on the car. I'll be doing, oh, it's my buddy. I'll be doing twin either Ford Focus pumps in the back or twin something. I'm not sure yet, but you know, Injected's probably gonna end up picking what they think is the best bet. So I'm cool with whatever they get. What else am I getting? A mass air flow sensor probably the BA 3000, which is probably what I would need since I'm gonna be pushing more air through it. So definitely that. What else? That and fuel injectors. I'm thinking 60 pounds is enough. We might do 80 just to prepare for the future for when I get the twin screw. So I'm very happy though, very happy. A lot of stuff moving along, working hard, bro. I work hard to pay for this stuff. I hope nobody thinks that I just bought a Cobra and, you know, I'm sitting on a bunch of money, because I'm not, and I work hard. So, you know. Mr. Cadillac. Yeah, I work hard, bro. I put in hours, blood, sweat, and tears at work to get this stuff. And it's worth it. Just to get off of work and be able to do stuff like this, definitely worth it, bro. Yeah, bro. Just to be able to get off of work and do that, you have no clue. None.
Moments later.
Extra stuff going on over here. Definitely was worried about swapping my rims and doing something different. Not now. More like a Christmas present to myself is more like that. But the rims I want, they have to get built. They're custom two-piece wheels, and it's gonna take like 3 months to build them because they're from Japan. So I'm probably not gonna end up doing that for myself until around Christmas time. Or maybe somebody will be nice enough to get me some, which would be great. That'll work out great for me, but we'll see. Definitely picked up what we needed to pick up. Don't want to get the Cobra hit by anything coming. I'm gonna take my time. My man is doing like 100 down this thing. Those guys have like the utmost power. Everybody gets out of their way. What's that over there? Oh, that's a C5. Not bad looking. Yeah, just wanted to update you guys on what's going on in Ra's life with his Cobra. And definitely that ported blower will be on very soon. I can't wait. Like I said, bro, that thing is gonna whine like nobody's business. And I can't wait for that. This thing whines, but it doesn't whine like I know that it will. Sierra, he must have someplace to go. Yeah, definitely gonna get my fenders rolled. I want to put my 305s on. I got 305s at my shop just waiting for me, NT01s, and I've had them for a little while, just never put them on. Why? Because this is my daily, and two, because I don't want to get caught in the rain on drag radials. Never really wanted to do that, but it's been nice like the past couple days. And if anything, if we get like a rainy week, I'll end up just taking them off and putting back on the Conti Pros, Pro Contact, Continentals. But yeah.
Moments later. She definitely wanted to go. Oh. Yep. That blower is gonna make a world of difference, and I'm gonna leave it like that probably for a year. Definitely probably for a year. I don't know, man. I'm gonna probably focus on other things. I want to get the suspension done. Want to do the suspension. Want to do the suspension, like I said, and I want to get the IRS rebuilt. You know, full tilt boogie, everything, and that in itself is like a $5,000 job. So, you know, we'll see. Yeah, definitely not gonna get any pulls in here because everybody's doing like 30. But anyway, definitely just wanted to update you guys on what the hell's been going on, show you the new caliper color on the new sticker. My new YouTube sticker, which is cool. Anyway, I've never been a sticker guy, but I like the way this looks. I do have some injected engineering stickers that I'm gonna throw on because gotta look out for them. They look out for me. They're definitely gonna give me a, work at cost, which is great. So not complaining there. What else was I gonna tell you guys? Oh, Mustang week is coming up. Mustang week is coming up, and might have somebody that's setting up like an Airbnb type situation. Never been to Mustang Week, always wanted to go. So that might be in the works. I'm not gonna say yes guaranteed yet, because of course I have to take off of work, blah blah blah, this, that, and the third. I don't know yet. But one thing's for sure, two things for certain. Definitely want to do that. definitely want to do that. You know, I don't know if you guys are aware about all the stuff that's going on with the laws and the street takeover business. Yeah, it's getting a little sticky out, so I definitely want you guys to be careful. I do have a couple of customers that like to take over things, if you will. And you know, they're young, bro. Everybody has their time, but just be careful doing it and understand what's going on with the laws. Be careful, you know. Even I have my moments, but not taking over things. But I have my moments where I'll, you know, get on it a little bit harder than most. But yeah, bro, just wanted to share that with you guys. It's been a long day. It's time for me to go enjoy the benefits of being an adult and having your own place. So once again, thank you guys for watching, liking, subscribing, watching the shorts, all that good stuff, bro. You guys are once again doing remarkable work. You're doing the Lord's work, because I never expected any of this, and I appreciate it so much. The next video you see, I will probably be in Mexico, Tijuana. All right, peace.